Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of composting with what I consider the best compost bin for beginners available, the Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin.
Composting can be intimidating for beginners, but with the right tools, it's a breeze.
And that's where this compost bin comes in. Let's break down why it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into composting. First off, let's talk about durability.
This bin is made from high-quality stainless steel, which means it's built to last. You won't have to worry about it scratching, cracking, or chipping, even with daily use.
And speaking of the lid, check out this charcoal filter.
It traps and controls odors naturally, so you can keep the bin on your countertop without worrying about any unpleasant smells lingering in your kitchen.
Cleanup is a breeze with this compost bin. Simply wash it with warm soapy water, and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with an extra charcoal filter, so you'll always have a spare on hand when you need it.
Whether you're composting banana peels, coffee grounds, or veggie scraps, this bin has you covered.
Its sleek design complements any kitchen decor.
And its 1.3-gallon capacity means you can let the scraps build up throughout the week without worrying about emptying it constantly.
So there you have it, folks. If you're new to composting and looking for the perfect starter bin, look no further than the Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy composting!